Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. When you hear about a recession, what comes to your mind instantly? Do you probably think about the people who can't pay the bills and how they will lose their homes? But what about the money's cost? What about people who have money because of their investments? In this video, we will talk about how rich people don't fear a recession and why that's a good thing for us all. A market crash may seem scary, but it's an opportunity to score big if you know how to play the game right. Look at what the rich do when the markets crash and see if it needs to make better sense. What would you do if the market crashed tomorrow and your investments lost half the value? Would you be able to sleep at night knowing that you were broke? The rich don't worry about this because they know how to profit from market crashes. Here is the secret of why the rich don't fear recession and start preparing yourself now so that when it comes, you're ready to make your fortune. So keep watching this video until the end because you are going to know about which 7 secrets why the rich don't fear recession, and I'm about to share a bonus with you at the end. Before kicking off, if you believe you can be rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, they take advantage of downturns. The rich don't fear recession because they know that downturns are good for them. They take advantage of downturns by buying up assets on sales like stocks, real estate, and gold. As Warren Buffett mentions before, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. If you invest in that valuable stock during downturns, then you can save lots of money to buy the one that you want to buy before. Then once you buy it and hold it, you can keep receiving recurring dividends as passive income. The second one, they don't buy things they can't afford. The rich don't buy things they can't afford. Many of them have set standards for themselves that are stricter than most people's budgets. Even if they can afford things they don't want or need, the rich still spend the money carefully. They only buy things if they expect to use them repeatedly. Consider Bill Gates, who says he typically doesn't spend too much money on clothes or jewelry. He does this because it forces him to reevaluate whether something is worth its price tag before making an impulse purchase. The third one, they have multiple streams of income. To combat the recession, you must have multiple streams of income. The statistics show that 65% of millionaires have 3 streams of income. If you rely on only one source of money and suddenly it dries up or gets cut off, you will be in dire straits. However, if you have multiple income streams and the first one slows down or goes away, others still carry you through and you can be less reliant on anything. If you are interested in discovering more how to develop multiple streams of income or make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Before going to the 4th secret, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Number 4, they're not afraid to start over. The rich don't fear recession because they can weather any storm. If they lose their job, they know that most likely they will be able to find another one quickly. They don't live paycheck to paycheck, so if their house floods or something goes wrong, it won't sink them. Moreover, they have savings for when times get tough, and that security gives them peace of mind. When the market crashes, they are not going to panic. They will see an opportunity to buy low and sell high. In short, a time of opportunity. The rich know how much risk there is in stocks and how much profit potential. Many wealthy people invest in stocks even during a recession because they understand that every economy rises again at some point. The stock market is volatile. Yes, it will crash from time to time as well as rise. But this doesn't mean you should give up all hope of long-term gains. You might experience losses with your investments in the short term, but for years, you will likely see growth, sometimes even greater than expected. Number 5, they know how to manage their money. In truth, the rich don't fear recession because they know how to manage their money. They invest in stocks that will always be worth something. They put their money into investments that will grow even when others are shrinking. They don't rely on debt and live below the means to build up savings for bad times. Living below the means can have lower stress. On the other hand, the poor are more likely to live paycheck to paycheck, which is why they are always in debt, constantly having to borrow money from family or friends or turn to credit cards to get by each month. The rich don't take on debt because they know how much it costs them in interest payments and other fees over time, which is why they can afford to save up for retirement or make large purchases without running out of cash. Number 6, they are patient. The rich don't fear recession because they are patient. They continue investing over time when the market crashes, not in one big lump sum. They know there will be ups and downs, but that doesn't mean you should stop investing. The secret is to keep your head down and continue onward. It's about having long-term goals, staying calm, and being patient. Kevin Jonas, who is an American musician, mentioned before lots of people often think of success as a straight line from here to infinity, but it's more like a curve. Your income grows by small increments or declines by small decrements. You go up for a while and then back down again before you have another upward increment. That's how markets work, up and down. Number 7, they always have a plan. The rich don't fear recession, and here's why. It may sound counterintuitive, but a recession is an opportunity for many wealthy individuals. They often have plans in place for downturns in the market. Sure, it is difficult for those with little capital or who live paycheck to paycheck. Still, if you are already financially secure and educated on investing opportunities when times are good, you will be set up nicely when they're not so good. With their money stashed in safe places like cash, gold, or real estate, these folks will keep their heads above water until the economy turns around again. Now, if you are still watching this video, here is your bonus as I mentioned at the beginning. Are you ready? If yes, then let's go. Number 8, they diversify their investments. Most of these people have enough money to diversify their investments and can take advantage of opportunities during a recession. Diversification helps spread the risk. The rich also invest the money in things like gold or property worth more than the stocks and bonds on which most people rely. In addition, they take a long-term perspective. For example, those who own the businesses can work with suppliers and retailers who offer discounts during slow times. People who accumulate wealth know it's not about how much you make in one day, week, or month. It's about how much you make over time. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about Rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.